In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Stripe integration with HubSpot. So to do that, you first need to head over right here into your HubSpot, and once you're in there, click on this marketplace right here. Now click on HubSpot Marketplace. Once you're in here, click on the search and proceed to search for Stripe. Here you can see Stripe created by HubSpot, so proceed to click on that. And once you're in there, click on this install. This will open this and click on connect to Stripe. Now, this will open a new window wherein you will be asked for your Stripe credentials. So, in order to connect it directly to your HubSpot, input right here your email address and proceed to click on continue. And once you have inputted right here your actual details, you can just proceed to sign in into your Stripe. Let me head over and sign into mine. Now from in there, this will actually go over to Stripe and this should initiate the connection and integration to HubSpot. So that's all there is today, and if you haven't subscribed to HubSpot yet, make sure to use your affiliate links given in the video description. Thank you so much for watching.